For years, major Canadian cities like Toronto and Vancouver have banned smoking in parks. But in Europe, the fiery debate to butt out in public green spaces is only getting underway now. Public health officials in London are trying to import Canadian-style smoking bans in parks, but as Stuart Greer reports, they're facing fierce resistance, even from their own mayor.
A bit of pickup soccer outside London City Hall. It's all part of an ambitious push to make the city the healthiest world capital within a decade. But a controversial part of that plan would have London import a Canadian-style smoking ban in its parks and public squares.
This is about making sure that our parks, in which our kids are playing football, as we've seen today, in which we're walking, we're cycling, we need to make those as the beacon of health.
Dozens of Canadian cities banned smoking in parks years ago. Vancouver's beaches and leafy public places have been smoke-free since 2010, and some Londoners are keen for their city to follow that example.
There's children and families pretty much all over the place in parks.
Yeah,
so I
it's
think
not nice.
No,
to walk by someone and then he's puffing in your face, in your child's face.
Health officials want to impose the smoking ban in all of London's historic green spaces, totaling more than 100 square kilometres. It would include the ornate Regent's Park and landmark tourist sites like Trafalgar Square. It's hard to believe that just a couple of generations ago, smoking here, like in Canada, was ubiquitous. From co-workers in the office to cultural icons puffing away in a TV studio. But Brits are slow to change, and many of London's 1.2 million smokers would be horrified by a Canadian-style smoking ban in their parks.
It depends on the circumstance. If it's a large, empty park, it doesn't affect anybody else. If it's really busy and I'm sitting right on top of somebody and I'm smoking, then that's inconsiderate.
Even the city's mayor opposes the ban and is at odds with his own health officials who are backing the plan.
I think when it comes to telling sentient adult human beings who should be capable of taking responsibility for themselves, when you tell them that they may not smoke in a huge expanse of open space, I think you're shading into bullying.
And so, with London's mayor on the side of the city's smokers, the debate over butting out in the British capital's parks will only continue to smolder. Stuart Greer, Global News, London.